Hi, we're the physics class, and our favorite thing about Thanksgiving, our tradition, is the physics Thanksgiving.
For extra credit
All right.
at this point.
All right, come on. We're going to lock arms and do it. Ready?
Oh, great.
All right.
Let's
come
go,
on.
Nika.
Oh God,
Ready?
what are we
This is
doing?
great.
All right, come on. Okay. My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is hiking with my family.
Mine is frying the Friendsgiving turkey for 20 points of extra credit like Miss Kelly promised me.
Mine is putting extra gravy on my mashed potatoes.
Love
Yeah,
it.
let's
Thank
go,
you.
guys.
What's it say?
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is eating and frying pheasant and food.
Sitting on the couch in a food-induced coma.
Also football.
What is your favorite Thanksgiving tradition? Is it recording right now?
Yeah,
Who set the camera up?
I don't know. Answer the question.
Uh,
Eating pie.
yeah. Either I'll say the desserts and probably the mac and cheese and stuff, and the beans and the chicken. I mean not chicken, turkey. Yeah.
Eating macaroni and cheese.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is probably the walk we go on.
All right. My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is probably getting together with all my friends, my family, all the quality time we have together, and the things that we cherish with one another. Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yes.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is jumping in the water with my family in the ocean and doing the polar plunge.
My favorite Thanksgiving family tradition is making mac and cheese with my mom.
What is your favorite Thanksgiving tradition? Shoot. Oh, what's that movie called? No. Yeah, watching the Snoopy movie. Yeah.
How's it work?
You say your favorite Thanksgiving
We dress our dog as a turkey.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is penny ricotta with vodka sauce.
Do I just go? My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is making cookies with my grandma on the day before.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition, so every year we play this one game where we put in $5 and we roll dice and we either pass our dollar to the left or the right, or we put it into the middle, and whoever has the $1 at the end gets all the money.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is going to my grandparents' house and just being with family.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is making my grandma's famous bread rolls while watching the Thanksgiving parade that morning with my mom.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is going on vacation every year with my whole entire family.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is making mac and cheese with my mom.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is visiting my grandma.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is running the turkey trot every morning.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is when my grandma cooked the best collard greens in the world.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is watching the Dallas Cowboys play.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is playing Thanksgiving games with my family.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is going to the store with my family, picking out the best turkey.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is it's probably the one time a year my kids will all go for a walk with me.